perfect day for strolling the park here with the fountain here right behind us. Got Mary McLane here to my right.
As if they can't hear and see the fountain. That's the fountain.
That's the fountain. Just in case you didn't know what that was, that's what it is. It's got a few little tiny stairs in it. Like, yeah. Anyway, check out this. Mary McLane and I want to be on it.
Well, we actually are.
But we kind of are just by...
This is us. Right.
Oh, no, wait, there, here we are. That's crappy. Sorry about that.
We were lying. We were using the fountain as our boat noise.
Yeah. What did we do today, though?
Ready for this?
Wait, do the headbang the side where it's like the Roxbury. Oh.
Could be mistaken for elephant peeing.
That's true. Oh, have you ever heard an elephant pee?
Yeah.
That's super loud.
It is super loud.
I almost had an elephant pee on me once. Well, I wasn't underneath it, because that'd be weird. I had a giraffe tongue
grab my hand. I grabbed it around my finger once.
A giraffe?
I fed him a carrot, and it was like...
He bit your finger?
No, he wrapped his tongue around my finger.
Oh.
It's like sandpaper.
Did it hurt?
I've also heard a giraffe pee.
A who?
No, it didn't hurt.
You heard a giraffe pee?
Yeah.
What did it sound like?
Pretty, it's kind of like an elephant, but less volume, you know? High drop-off point.
High drop-off point?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, because they're way up there. They have high legs.
Yeah.
Holy crap. How's that club walk doing there, Mark? What the fuck's going on downtown? Rock 102.
Oh, let's go! Oh, it's the cars day. Should we walk through? Let's do it, Mark.
You want to walk?
Yeah, I fucking do.
I kind of want to be out in the water right now. What about you?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. What?
Carl!
Ah! Got asphyxiation.
Huh? Serpentine!
Oh, so anyways, last night Mary and I had a great night, fucking teamwork over here.
Teamwork.
It's flies.
Okay.
What do we call it again? Oh yeah, we...
what did we call it? Call what?
Oh, fuck it. I'm getting distracted. Distraction hot lady coming. She's like 90. She's hot.
Fucking Q-tip.
Check out that Depends.
Listen to that Depends.
She could do that all day if she was wearing Depends. The sound of the elephant behind us. Anyways. Oh yeah, there I am right there. Real creepy with him. Do a face.
I forget about myself.
Like I don't give a fuck about you, hard to get.
Too hard to get, almost. He pulled the non-talking, you know, rather than saying
you were talking to a beautiful blonde girl.
Oh yeah, well, you know.
Yeah, but then her friend was sitting there beside her waiting for me to talk to her. I just
and
looked at her.
Wouldn't even look at her, you're saying that hard to get.
Saving on my spice rum and coke. Oh, look at me. And then she got mad, and then they both walked away. So I kind of killed that moment, probably. Well, no, I didn't really. I think that girl kind of killed the moment.
I think she was a little shy.
Yeah.
Maybe, I don't know.
She just killed the moment for both of us, I think.
Yeah.
And then, but that girl liked you, man. She got up and she was like, "Hey, baby, you have a few minutes."
Oh.
And I was like, "Yeah." each other's wingman.
Oh, yeah.
And it went really good last night. Mary and I were actually sober for once last night. Had a few drinks, made ourselves look like we were something big. And me, for once, didn't actually talk to the ladies because I usually do that. And yeah, anyways.
Mark was playing really hard to get.
Oh. Hey, ladies, how's it going?
Q-tips are just rolling in here.
These Q-tips. Let's get it better. Let's get it good. Check out that ass on my
Oh my God, Mark, that's not.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
We don't go out to do it.
Oh.
We go out to see if we can.
Yeah. People are watching us, so we're doing videos because we're cool like that.
We're pretty much famous around these parts.
Down by the Saskatoon River. No big deal.
The Saskatoon River.
Yes.
One of the Saskatchewan rivers.
Mm-hmm.
Not Saskatoons.
Yeah.
I'm just saying.
What was I saying?
Don't think you own the place.
I don't own the place.
Hands up, hands up! Kidding.
Back over there.
Mark! Are you in there? How are you?
Right here. Can you see me? I see you. Mary, there's a wall there.
Like you do.
I do own a lot of things. There's that girl's over there looking at us as we talk right now. Both of them are watching us like we're a big deal.
Where?
Yeah.
Just right over there?
They're kind of just jealous that they're not part of this video, I think.
Probably.
They're probably like, maybe they think that we're famous or something.
Well, you know that we are, right? So I'm pretty sure they know of us.
Oh yeah, probably. Definitely saw a YouTube video too, maybe.
Oh, probably.
Yeah.
Oh, speaking of...
It's just making noise. Look at him go, he's cruising.
Wow.
Do you want to give a shout out to Paige?
Oh, shout out time. Hey.
Oh yeah, we better do this quickly as the battery's running out.
Okay.
Let's do this quickly. Paige.
Paige.
Oh, wait.
No.
This is a shout out to Paige.
To Paige.
What's going on? And I hope. Told ya. We hope you enjoyed this. Any last words?
Jimmy crack corn, I don't care.
Jimmy crack corn, I don't care. Peace.